Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to mass send customized emails in Outlook. This is an incredibly useful feature if you need to reach multiple recipients with personalized messages, whether you're sending newsletters, announcements, or targeted communications to your contacts. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Give it a moment to fully load all your emails and sync your data. While Outlook is your main email platform, this particular process actually works hand in hand with Microsoft Word, so you'll need both applications ready to go. Once Outlook has loaded, switch over to Microsoft Word and open a new blank document. Before you begin, make sure your mailing list is ready and accessible. This is crucial because you'll need it in just a moment. With your blank document open, direct your attention to the top of the screen where all your menus and tools are located. From there, click on the Mailings tab. This section contains all the tools you need for creating mail merges and bulk communications. Under the Mailings menu, look for the Start Mail Merge button and click on the drop-down arrow next to it. You'll see several additional options appear. From these options, click on Email Messages. This tells Word that you're creating content specifically for email distribution rather than physical letters or labels. Now you can start composing your email message. Write whatever content you want to send to your recipients. Once you finish drafting your message, click on Select Recipients. A drop-down menu will appear with a few choices. Click on Use an Existing List. This action will open a File Explorer window where you can navigate through your computer's files. Locate your mailing list, which is typically saved as a CSV file containing email addresses and other relevant information like names and custom fields. Click on the CSV file to select it, then click Open. A Select Table window will pop up. Simply click OK to confirm your selection. Here's where the customization magic happens. You can insert personalized fields such as first names to properly address each recipient and give your email that customized touch. Click on Insert Merge field, and you'll see a list of available fields from your mailing list. For this tutorial, we'll use a common field that really enhances the personal feel of your message. Click on First Name. You'll notice that first name now appears in your email message as a placeholder. This field will automatically change based on each recipient's actual first name when the emails are sent out, making each message feel individually crafted. Now that you've finished customizing your email, it's time to send it out. Click on Finish and Merge, then select Send Email Messages from the options that appear. A Merge to Email window will open up. In the To field, make sure to choose Email Address from the drop-down menu. This ensures each email goes to the correct recipient. Next, set a subject line in the provided field. This is what your recipients will see in their inbox, so make it clear and compelling. You can also choose a mail format between HTML, plain text, or attachment, depending on how you want your message to appear. Once everything looks good, click OK. The process will now transition over to your Microsoft Outlook, which will begin sending these customized emails to all the recipients on your list. Each person will receive what appears to be a personally addressed message, even though you've sent them all in one efficient batch. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.